Road crews across our area have a lot of work to do before snow or ice hits the ground.
We start about a week in advance of, making sure all the equipment works, making sure everything operates, from the last storm that we had last year.
Benton County says they haven't pre-treated roads yet, wanting to make sure there is no rain in the forecast. Burks says rain can wash away the material before it has a chance to work. In the coming days, crews plan to begin pre-treatment using large and small trucks, using material designed to melt ice from the ground up.
Stuff like that starts hitting it, cars get on it, and it starts melting it, and then it activates. It activates the brine to where it starts melting it from the underneath side of it.
Washington County Judge Patrick Dinkins says having staff in place is key to keeping roads clear.
And so we have them very lucratively employed right now all across the county doing road prep and road maintenance right now.
Dinkins says the county has about 80 employees ready to go. He says crews are split into shifts, so someone is working around the clock until conditions improve.
So we split that crew into 2 shifts, and they'll run 24 hours a day until it's cleaned up.
That promise, of course, is to have roads clear in 3 days' time. Live in Rogers, Tia Green, 4029 News.